Whether you're baking fresh or frozen cookie dough, or if you like them soft, gooey, and crispy, the perfect cookies are in your control using a Smart Oven Air Fryer cookie function. To begin, select the Cookies function and set your rack position to the middle. With the Smart Oven Air Fryer's Element IQ system, which provides precise temperature control, you'll be gifted with delicious baked goods every time. Simply preheat. Adjust the temperature and cooking time with the dials, and may the baking begin. The frozen button reduces the oven temperature and extends the cooking duration slightly to ensure your food is baked thoroughly without burning the outside or drying them out. Whether you like classic butter cookies, oatmeal, raisin, or traditional chalk chip, the secret to perfect cookies is to bake them on the pizza tray. Be sure your baking paper fits your tray from edge to edge for better heat conduction, and add a light spray of water, which helps the paper stick to the tray. Keep enough space between cookies, and if only baking 4 cookies, make a diamond shape in the middle of the tray for optimal baking results. You can also use the convection button to choose between convection, super convection, or neither. As you switch between the options, the set cooking temperature will adjust to compensate for the convection fan increasing cooking rates. Once your cookies are ready, allow them to stand on the pizza tray for a couple of minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack. And once these cookies have cooled, why not be the first to give them a taste test?